If you've been wanting to take real estate video, but you're overwhelmed with what shots you should be actually taking of the home, then this video is for you. I'm going to make it super simple for you by giving you just 4 shots to learn in order to get super clean, timeless shots for real estate videos. Stick around to the end to see the final video that I took from shooting this home. These camera movements are not ranked in any particular order, and it is a good idea to try to use a good mix of them, that way you get the most dynamic looking footage possible. Number 1 is just a push in or pull out shot. This is just a shot where you are not panning or tilting at all, you are just simply locking your gimbal forward and walking towards the subject. I like using this type of shot for establishing shots of the home, showing detail shots of something like a kitchen, and showing simple bedroom shots. Number 2 is the parallax shot, and this is probably the most common shot that I actually use. This is where you are panning in one direction and your body is moving in the opposite direction. For example, here I am panning to the right while I am walking to the left, keeping the subject as the main part of the frame, which gives it that parallax effect. This shot is great for revealing areas that open up to one side, like this main living area and this master bedroom. Number 3 is the rising or descending shot. This is a shot where you keep your gimbal locked in a forward position, so you are not tilting or panning, you are just simply rising up or descending to reveal a subject. I usually use this type of shot for showcasing kitchen islands and bathroom vanities. And number 4 is just a slider shot or a truck shot, depending on how you want to call it. This is where you just move from side to side in one direction while keeping your camera locked forward on the subject. So with this shot, you're not turning your camera at all, you're just simply moving from left to right or right to left. And that's it. You can get incredible footage just by using these 4 types of shots. Now I'm going to show you the full edit of this video, and I'm going to label in the bottom left corner which shot types were used. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you would like to learn more about real estate video, you can consider subscribing. Also, if you would like personal coaching directly from me within my community that has access to a full online course for just $35 a month, the link is in the description. That's all I have for now. I'll see you in the next one.